Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to install the latest version of Debian 12. Open your favorite browser, search for debian.org. When you open debian.org, scroll down. Here we have two ways to download debian.org. You can download directly from download button, and also you have other option, other downloads. Click here, other downloads. Here scroll down. Here we have two type of Debian. A small installation image. You will need a machine with internet connection with this version. Complete installation image. Machine without internet connection. With this version you don't need internet connection. I recommend to download this version. Complete installation image. Here click on download a USB CD DVD image using HTTP. Select your architecture, AMD 64-bit. Select depend on your system. Here we scroll down. You can find the latest version of Debian 12.11. It is ISO. Click here. It is start to download Debian. Now open other tab. Here search for BalenaEtcher. Hit enter. Open this first link, then download HR. Here I have Debian image and BalenaEtcher. In this step you need a USB flash drive 8 gig or above 8 gig. Plug in USB flash. Double click on BalenaEtcher. Flash from file. Select your ISO. My ISO image is on desktop. Open. Select target. Balena will detect your USB flash. Just check this icon. Select flash. Yes. This step will take a few moments to copy all the file on the USB flash. Please wait. When it is finished, close it. In this step, restart your system. When you restart your system, press Windows both keys depend on your hardware. Here select USB device, hit enter. Debian 12, okay. Select graphical install, hit enter. Here select your language, continue. Select your country, continue. Configure your keyboard, continue. Configure the network. We don't need to configure it, just continue. We don't have domain name, continue. Here enter a user password. Confirm user password, continue. A full name for new user. You can write any name you want. I want to write D12. Continue. Okay, continue. Choose a password for new user. Enter a password, confirm this password, continue. Getting a time for a network. Okay, here configure the clock, select anyone depend on your country, continue. Partition disk, select manual, continue. Here select your drive where do you want to install the Debian. I want to install here, continue. Create a new empty partition table on this device, select yes, continue. It is 64-bit, free space, continue. Here select the second one, automatic partition, the free space. All files on one partition, continue. Finish a partition, okay, continue. Here select yes, continue. Configure the package manager. Use the network mirror, no, continue. Again, continue. Software selection, leave as default, continue. I've finished installation, continue. Okay, select your user, enter password. Now you successfully install Debian 12 on your system. If you don't like to use Windows or other operating system, I recommend to use this operating system. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good time. See you soon.